Yeah, yeah.
Morning, man.
All right, my
Morning.
brother. Love,
Morning.
love.
Good morning. Hold my camera for me. Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you had a wonderful Christmas with you and your family. And here we are 2 days after Christmas. Our white Christmas came a little late, but it is here. And we're gonna take a walk down the street to see what's going on today. The snow started about 6 p.m. last night and it continued until today. And this is Brooklyn. Now it's almost about 8 o'clock in the morning, and some people out trying to clean it up. So this is Brooklyn, our New York first snowstorm for the year, or for the snow season. Also, trees are covered with snow. And even in the midst of this, see people still waiting to go to work, waiting for the bus to go to work. So I'm basically standing in the center of the street, and you can see the height of the snow. The trucks are running all night cleaning up the snow. Same to you. Take your time, okay? All right. Yeah, take your time. Of course. Of course. All right. Have a nice day. Snow was too heavy for these Christmas ornaments. A whole lot of snow, guys. And this is Clarendon Road in Brooklyn. This is one of the salt spreader. Loaded with salt. So as I said, the snow started from 6 p.m. last night, and it continued right through the night until today. This is another street here. Alright, so let us take a walk down the street. See a lot of snow here. Look at these trees with the snow on them. Like a winter wonderland. Even though the road is slippery, these guys still driving very fast. Look on this pile of snow. We'll show you how much snow. People cleaning out their driveway. And if this is Brooklyn, I can imagine what it's like in the Bronx, because in the Bronx always much colder than Brooklyn. Another one of the snow plow there. So it's still looking a little beautiful Christmas ornaments. Guy cleaning off his truck. lot of snow everywhere. And this is the corner of Avenue D and East 35th Street. What you doing, man?
Hey, how you doing, my brother?
Let me give you a hand, man. Hold this to me. Hold
No,
it.
I'm good. I just started, man. I did it last night.
Do this on my video, man. Just let me give you a hand. Just hold this to me.
Okay.
Where you want it?
Yeah.
You want it to go, right?
Huh? No. Just a part way and I throw it over there.
Okay. Yeah, no matter what.
Yeah. Just. Yeah.
Over here?
Yes. Oh, wow.
So this is how we do it, guys, in Brooklyn. We're gonna help in Antwerp. Have to clean up your snow. When someone slides, you get in trouble, right?
Yeah. Just let them know.
Yeah. Guess this is where you're one in, right?
Yeah.
This is where you're
That's yes, yeah. Thanks, my brother.
Thank you very much.
Yes,
all right.
yes. Thank you.
All right, cool.
Blessings. Happy New Year, my man.
Same to you, man. Same to you.
Now that you do that, I'm gonna play it forward.
All right.
1, 2, 3. Just you see what I'm saying?
All right. Thank you. So yes, guys, we're on the street again. We continuing up the road. It's another intersection. Brooklyn Avenue. This guy just cleaned up his sidewalk and laying down some salt. Making sure that no one slip when they walk. Because if they slip and hurt themselves, then you're in trouble. When you say hi to people here, some don't respond. Totally different from the island. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. It's over doing this early morning pickup. This is another beautiful view. So this is Brooklyn on a snowstormy morning in December. And according to the weather, we might get some more snow on New Year's Day. Somehow I find out this camera keeps shutting off. I don't know if it's because of the cold. So the reason why you have this area clean is because of the apartment there. They have their people come out very early and clean it. Walking on the snow, it make a lot of noise because like walking on ice. this guy have his snow blower. Seems as if he worked for one of these companies who own these apartments, so he's cleaning up. And this is New York Avenue. So this is what a snowy morning in Brooklyn is like. People cleaning up the car, getting ready to go to work. Snow blowers working. People cleaning up their sidewalks. And some people still in bed underneath the cover on all these trees. So this is a playground, Nostrand Playground. And as you can see, there's snow everywhere. Sitting areas are covered with snow. Basketball hoop filled with snow. Morning. All the playground is covered with snow. And this is where the kids play. Even the very swings are filled with snow. So right now we're at the corner of Nostron and Foster Avenue. This side going towards Junction, and this direction head towards Church Avenue. This is one of the most busiest area on Nostron Avenue, but because of the snow everything is out for a late start. As you can see, some of the businesses have cleaned up their snow while others have not started yet. Gonna be a real rough day. Because in New York, when you work anywhere and there's snow, you have to clean up the snow before you start working. So these guys are the workers. Hey, they work at the business place, but they have to clean up the snow. So during the winter they have to put the shield around the food. Normally it will be open to protect it from too much cold. So this is the corner of Newkirk and Nostron Avenue.
Last night, you know.
You can see the birds enjoying the snow. And this is Avenue D and Nostron Avenue. So guys, this is it for this morning on a snowing morning in Brooklyn. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. and hit the notification button. Until our next video, thank you for watching.